Hello my dear students, in previous class we have studied addition of fraction. Now today we will study what? Subtraction of fraction. Case 1, denominators are the same. If suppose denominator are same, then how to find the answer? For example, the fraction given a by c minus b by c. Here in both the fraction denominator is same, c. So write that c one time. Now a minus b. A minus b whole divided by c. Understood? If denominator is same. For example, subtract 3 by 7 from 5 by 7. Now here denominator is same. Okay, now we have to subtract this fraction from 3 by 7 from 5 by 7. So while doing subtraction, which number we have to take now? 5 by 7. Second number first. 5 by 7. Subtract means what? Minus 3 by 7. Understood? Now denominator are same. So write one time 7 only. Okay. Now 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 how much? 2. So 2 by 7. Understood? Now the answer is 2 by 7. If possible to convert into lowest term, we can convert that one, but it is not possible to convert into lowest term. So 2 by 7 is the answer. Note down. Now case number second. Okay, what it is given? When denominator are what? Are different. When denominator are different. Case second. Okay. When denominators are different. For example, in the fraction a, first fraction a by b minus c by d, denominator are different. Just you have to do cross multiplication. A into d minus b into c whole divided by b into d. Now subtract, example given 2 by 7 from 4 by 9. So first number we have to write 4 by 9. Subtract means minus 2 by 7. Now here denominator are different. Okay. Now 4 into 7. 4 into 7 minus 9 into 2 or 2 into 9. Okay. Now 9 into 7. 9 into what? 7. Now we have to do here multiplication. Now tell me. 4 7s are or 7 4s are? 7 4s are 28 minus 9 2s are 18. Okay. Whole divided by 9 7s are 63. Now 28 minus 18. 28 minus what? 18. 8 minus 8 0 2 minus 1 1. So 10. 10 by 63. So it is not possible to convert into lowest term. So 10 by 63 is the answer. Understood? So note down this one. Now B example look at. Subtract 1 by 6 from 3 1 by 4. Actually this is mixed number. Okay. Now second number 1 we have to subtract this number from that number. So 3 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. This is mixed fraction. First you convert into improper fraction. How to convert? 3 into 4. 3 into 4 plus 1 whole divided by 4 minus 1 into 6 plus 1 whole divided by what? 6. Now 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 divided by 4 minus 1 into 6 6. 6 plus 1 divided by 6. Okay. Now 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 4 minus 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 6. Now denominator are different, isn't it? Now do cross multiplication again. 13 into 6 minus 4 into 7 whole divided by 4 into 6. Understood this one? Now we have to do 13 into 6. 13 6 are 13 into 6. 6 3s are 18, carry 1. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 78. 13 6 are 78 minus 4 7s are 28 or 7 4s are 28. Okay. Now 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. Now 78 minus what you have to do? 28. 8 minus 8 0. 7 minus 2 5. So 50. 50 by 24. Now observe in ones place. Here in ones place 0 and in ones place 4. So in 2's table we can cancel that one. 2 into divide this 50 by 2. We should get remainder 0 only. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 1. Bring this 0 down. 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now 2 into 25 means 50. In the same way 24. 2 1s are 2. 2 minus 2 0. Bring this 4 down. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now 2 into 12. So same number we are. The 2 into 25. And here 2 into what? 24 means 12. Now this 2 to get what? Cancel. Now 25 by 12. 25 by 12 we got. Now again it is not possible to cancel. So now we have to, example is given in mixed number. So we have to convert this in mixed number only. Now divide this 25 by 12. Now 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 twos are 24, 10 minus 5 minus 4, 1 here 0, 2 1 by 12 or 2 1 by 12. In mixed number also we can write that one. Understood? So in this way we have to write the answer. So note down this one. Now addition of fraction over, subtraction of fraction also over. Now we have to study multiplication of what? Fraction. Multiplying a whole number by a fraction. What do you mean by whole number? Whole number means what? The number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, many things are called whole number. But here, which is the smallest whole number again? 0. But we can't take here that 0. Except 0, we can get any number. We can take any number. Okay. Multiplying a whole number by a fraction. Any number except 0. Now here given case 1, multiplication of a whole number by a fraction. A whole number can be multiplied by a fraction. For example, suppose x is a whole number and a by b is a fraction. This is which side? Multiplication side. Now x into a by b. What is the formula? Just numerator we have to do multiplication. X into a whole divided by b. For example, multiply 3 into 2 by 7. So 3 into 2 by 7. Now what we have to do? 3 into 2 numerator multiplication. 3 into 2 divided by 7. Now 3 2s are what? 3 2s are 6. 6 by 7. What is that answer? 6 by 7. Here I am writing. 3 into 2 divided by 7. Now 3 2s are 6. 6 by 7. So answer is 6 by 7. Understood? Just numerator we have to do multiplication. So note down. Now case second, just opposite that one. What we have studied in case 1, same thing. There in case 1 we have studied multiplication of a whole number by a fraction. Now just reverse of that. Multiplication of a fraction, multiplying a fraction number by a whole number. Multiplication of a fraction number by a whole number. Case 2. A fraction number can be multiplied by a whole number. How? Suppose a by b is a fraction. Okay. A by b is what? Fraction into and x is a whole number. Then just like that only we have to do. A into x whole divided by b. Understood? Now multiply. 1 by 8 is fraction and this 3 is whole number. Isn't it? Now how to do? 1 by 8 into 3. 1 into 3. 1 into 3 divided by what? 8. Now 1 into 3. 3 ones are what? 3 ones are 3 only. 3 by 8. Understood? Simple question. 3 by 8. So note down this one. Now case 3. Multiplying a fractional number by a fraction. Multiplying a fraction by a fraction. Otherwise. Case 3. Multiplication of a fraction number by a fractional number. A fractional number can be multiplied by a fractional number. How? For example, suppose a by b is a fraction into c by d. Then how to find the answer? What we have to do? A into c. Numerator multiplication. Whole divided by b into d. All this formula you have to keep in mind. B into d. Okay. Now multiply 7 by 8 into 3 by 4. 7 by 8 is one fraction and 3 by 4 is another fraction. Means two fractions are given. Now a by b into c by d. So 7 into 3. What we have to do? 7 into 3. Numerator multiplication. Whole divided by 8 into 4. 8 into 4. After this you have to write this one. Now do. 7 3s are 21. Now 8 4s are 30. 8 4s are 32. If possible to cancel, we can cancel that. Otherwise let it be. So 21 by 32. Understood? So note down this one. Now homework. Look at textbook page number 308. Let us practice 3.12. First question A to E and second question also A to E. You have to complete that one. Okay. Now also textbook page number 309 also let us practice 3.30. 1 to 10 example. You have to complete that one. Now first of all let us practice 3.12. Page number 308. Look at 308. What it is given? Subtract the following. 3 by 8 from 7 by 8. Denominator are same. So what we have to do? 7 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Denominator are same. So 7 minus 3, 4 by 8. 4 by 8 means in two stable getting cancellation. 4 means 2 into 2 and 8 means 2 into 4. Convert into lowest term. Okay. Second question also like that. But denominator are different. And in page number 309, let us practice 3.13, 1 to 10. Find the product. Product means into 3 and 2 by 7 means 3 into 2 by 7. In one step we are getting answer. 3 2s are 6, 6 by 7, like that. Okay? Understood now? Like that we have to find the answer. Product being into, all into. And last question, mixed number convert into improper fraction and then do multiplication. So try to complete this exercise. Let us practice 3.12 and 3.30.